2014 was, by some margin, I think most everyone would agree, it's been the most profitable single dairy calendar year in recent history. It was a banner year simply because the price of the overall milk was very high, and but it just dropped precipitously right at the end of 14, it going into 2015. And today we're probably at a break even, maybe a slight margin, the more efficient ones. One thing it is helping us, the price of milk is way down, milk and all of the component prices, cheese, powder, but the price of our feed is down quite significantly. These are jerseys, and they're especially attuned to making milk to turn into cheese, butter, and powder.